Hello friends, welcome to Experttec Engineering. Today I'm going to show you how to create a motor reverse forward control and power wiring. Components needed: circuit breaker for power supply protection, 2 magnetic contactors for forward and reverse, emergency stop button for safety, selector switch for choosing forward or reverse. For the power wiring, connect the power supply to the circuit breaker for overcurrent protection. From the circuit breaker, wire to the input terminals of both magnetic contactors. From the output terminals of the circuit breaker, wire to the common terminals typically labeled C of both contactors. Wire from the normally open no terminal of the forward contactor to one terminal of the motor. Wire from the other terminal of the motor to the normally closed NC terminal of the reverse contactor. Wire from the normally open no terminal of the reverse contactor back to the common terminal C of the forward contactor. Connect the other terminal of the reverse contactor coil to the other terminal of the motor. Wiring: connect the power supply to the circuit breaker for overcurrent protection. From the circuit breaker, wire to the emergency stop button. This button should be normally closed and placed in series with the power supply to enable quick power cutoff in emergencies. Wire from the emergency stop button to the selector switch. The selector switch should have positions for forward, reverse, and possibly off. From the selector switch, wire to the coil terminals of both magnetic contactors. Ensure the forward position of the selector switch energizes one contactor's coil and the reverse position energizes the other. Connect the normally open contacts of both contactors in series with the motor load. Wire the other side of the motor load back to the power supply to complete the circuit. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up to let us know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Join our community for more awesome content like this.